Hello my dear learners. Good morning to all of you my dear student friends. Welcome to my English class today. I am Naresh Deshmukh speaking to you all. So dear learners, how are you all? Are you fine? Oh, that's nice. I am also very fine today. So dear learners, in our previous classes, we were learning simple present tense, you know very well. And while learning simple present tense, we were learning how important role do and does play in the formation of simple present tense sentences. So by holding the thread of the previous classes, we are going to move forward. Today I am going to teach you 6 sentences, important sentences, and if you learn the important sentences, you will definitely realize, you will definitely understand what the simple present tense is. So there will be 2 verbal questions, there will be 2 assertive sentences, and there will be 2 WH questions. In this way we will learn 6 sentences for your better understanding. So first of all, let us learn assertive sentences, affirmative and negative. So I am writing a sentence here. I eat a mango. The Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा खातो. This sentence is affirmative because not is not present here in this sentence, and the subject of this sentence is I, and I is first person singular number pronoun, and therefore do is hidden here in the verb eat, you know very well. Now let us change this sentence into negative. While changing this sentence into negative, we will have to use not, and for using not, we will have to get out the auxiliary verb do from the verb eat first, and then just after, immediately after the auxiliary verb, we will have to use not. Okay, then the sentence will be negative. So let us make the negative sentence. I am taking do from here. Okay, I do not eat. I eat, मी खातो. Affirmative. I do not eat, मी खात नाही. Negative. Okay, not has been used here immediately after auxiliary verb do, and do I have taken do from here. Okay, I do not eat a mango. I do not eat a mango. The Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा खातो, and the Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा खात नाही. So these sentences are assertive sentences, declarative sentences, statements, affirmative, negative. And now let us learn verbal questions, and then we will learn WH questions. You know there are 2 types of questions, verbal questions and WH questions. The verbal questions are the questions which begin with verbs, auxiliary verbs, and WH questions are the questions which begin with the questionable words in the family of WH. So first of all, let us learn verbal questions. You know verbal questions begin with verbs, and therefore let us get out the auxiliary verb do from here, from do. Okay, do I eat, do I eat, do I eat a mango, do I eat a mango? Question mark. The Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा खातो का. You know the answer to the verbal question is always yes or no. Do I eat a mango? मी आंबा खातो का. This sentence is affirmative sentence. And now let us make negative sentence. Do I not? do will come here and I will come here. Okay. Do I do I, do I, do I not, do I not eat a mango, do I not eat a mango, do I not eat a mango, question mark. The Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा खात नाही का. Do I eat, मी खातो का. मराठी meaning मी खातो का, and do I not eat, मी खात नाही का. We can also write this sentence in another way. Don't I eat, don't I eat. We can also write like this. Don't I eat a mango, मी आंबा खात नाही का. Do I not eat, don't I eat. So in this way we can construct the sentences. So these two sentences are simple sentences, assertive sentences, and these two sentences are verbal questions. And now let us make WH questions. While making WH questions, while creating WH questions, the simplest thing is that if you put the questionable word at the very beginning of the verbal question, automatically the WH question is formed. So let us put the questionable words at the very beginning of the verbal questions. So let us put here when and let us put here why. Okay. When do I eat a mango? When do I eat a mango? Okay. When do I eat a mango? The Marathi meaning of this sentence is when means केव्हा. मी आंबा केव्हा खातो. When do I eat a mango? मी कधी खातो आंबा. In place of when, we can use so many words, so many interrogative words, means questionable words. In place of when, I use how now. How do I eat a mango? मी आंबा कसा खातो. How means कसा, कसा, कशी, कसे. Okay, in Marathi. When do I eat a mango? मी आंबा कशा प्रकारे खातो. Suppose I use here with whom. With whom do I eat a mango? मी आंबा कोणासोबत खातो. With whom do I eat a mango? How do I eat a mango? मी आंबा कसा खातो. मी आंबा कोणासोबत खातो. मी आंबा केव्हा खातो. When do I eat a mango? How do I eat a mango? With whom do I eat a mango? You can construct so many sentences by using questionable words at the beginning of the sentences. Okay. So this is affirmative, and now let us make negative sentence, negative WH question. So let us put here, let us use here why. Why do I not eat a mango? Why do I not eat? Why do I not eat a mango? And question mark. The Marathi meaning of this sentence is मी आंबा केव्हा खातो. And the Marathi meaning of this sentence is why do I not eat a mango? मी आंबा का बरं खात नाही. So I eat a mango, मी आंबा खातो. I do not eat a mango, मी आंबा खात नाही. Do I eat a mango? मी आंबा खातो का. Do I not eat a mango? Don't I eat a mango? We can write this sentence like this also. When do I eat a mango? मी आंबा केव्हा खातो. And why do I not eat a mango? मी आंबा का बरं खात नाही. Why don't I eat? We can construct like this also. Why don't I eat? Why do I not eat? Why don't I eat a mango? So in this way we have written 6 sentences. All the sentences are very important. These sentences are different. We seem different sentences, but all the sentences are written in simple present tense. The subject of the sentence is I. I is first person singular number, and therefore do is used in every sentence. And suppose I use he eats a mango. He eats a mango. तो आंबा खातो. So you will have to use does in place of do. Okay, this point should be noted. So in this way we have learned 6 sentences, and with the help of the 6 sentences you will definitely understand what the simple present tense is. So in this way I think that you learn everything, you understand everything taught in today's class. So let us stop here today and meet in next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much for listening to me very carefully, my dear student friends. Thank you.